Hello everyone. In the continuation of fifth chapter, today we will discuss meaning of Shatkramas or Shuddhikriyas. Shatkrama are cleansing techniques. They are recommended to be done to prepare the body for yoga practices. They are named Shatkrama because they are six in number. In simple words, these techniques are done to clean ingestion, digestion and excretory system of our body. These systems mean eyes, respiratory system, digestive system and excretory system. Just like when we take bath, we remove dead skin cells and other pollutants from our skin. Shatkrama works on cleaning inside of our body. In yogic view, the process of Shatkrama is done to remove unnecessary particulates from our body and make it light and energetic. Moreover, when our body is light, it helps us to practice asana and pranayam in the better way, making them more effective. The sequence of Shatkramas first is Dhoti, Noli, Kapalbhati, Tratak, Basti and Neti. So basically the differences is the sequence of fourth and fifth practice. Yogic purpose of Shatkarmas. Though Shatkarmas are called cleansing techniques or Shuddhikriyas in yoga, they are valued for little more than that. The purpose of Shatkarma is to bring balance to three dosh, means Vat, Pith and Kapha. Bring balance to mind and body processes, to remove excrete toxins from our body, to cleanse our body from inside and keep our body healthy, providing strength to our internal systems like blood circulation, digestion, respiratory system and immunity. Now we will discuss about benefits of Shuddhikriyas. First is Tratak. Tratak is gazing based technique for eyes. In this cleansing technique, you place a light source like a candle at arm's length from your self, then look at the tip of the flame without blinking your eyes till your tears start to flow. And what are the benefits? Improve your eyesight and concentration. What are the contraindication? Not recommended for people suffering from depression, low blood pressure. People are also asked to avoid it. Next is Neti. Neti is the cleansing technique for nasal passage. There are three types of Neti: Jal Neti and Sutra Neti. What are the benefits of Neti? A clean nasal passage, especially in cities. Air condition is something of a boon these days. Plus, you are able to breathe floor with each breath when you nasal passage is clean. This takes care of cold, flu, etc. Contraindication of Neti: the salt in the water is contraindicated for heart patients. This practice is also contraindicated in case of cold or flu. Sutranati is not recommended when you have stuffed nose, sensitive mucus, or some issues with central bone of the nose. Next is Kapalbhati. Kapal means skull and Bhati means shining. Thus, the complete meaning of Kapalbhati is shining skull. The meaning is derived from benefits given by regular practice of Kapalbhati. What are the benefits of Kapalbhati? As Kapalbhati is active exhalation followed by passive inhalation. It helps in cleaning cleaning out the respiratory system. Moreover, this helps in improving capacity of your lungs. And what are the contraindication? Not to be done by epilepsy patients, asthma patients, and high blood pressure patients. Now I am showing you how to do Jal Niti. This is a Neti pot. So we will start. At the time of this Jal Niti, you can take a breath to your mouth.